and today we're going to make some avocado smoothie bowl, which is full of nutrients and is a delicious choice for breakfast or dessert on a hot summer day. As I want to share with you the recipes that make our body and soul happy and healthy. So, as you guys know, acai bowls have been very popular over the last few years. The cold and sweet acai blend at the bottom and all the different toppings of fruit and nuts come together to make up such a beautiful and sexy breakfast or brunch, which is delicious and nutritious. So, with a similar idea of acai bowl, we're going to make some avocado smoothie bowl today. Shall we start? So this recipe is going to be very easy and very quick to make. First we're going to make the avocado smoothie, which is going to be quite thick like the acai blend. I'm going to slice the avocado in half lengthwise and twist it open. I'm only going to use half the avocado here today. I'll put the flesh in my Ninja and put about the equal amount of frozen mango with some plain Greek yogurt. I'm also going to sweeten this smoothie with some honey and put a handful of spinach to make it a healthier form of smoothie. Now, time to ninja away! Now the avocado smoothie is ready. I'm going to pour it into a bowl and put some toppings on it.
Paint your perfect world. Can't push set up. We're not living in a frame, and this ain't just a game.
All assembled, ready to be eaten. Now I've plated them up in two different ways. One is for breakfast or brunch or a meal, and the other is for dessert, or if you're just hungry for a snack, then you can have these. But I haven't had my breakfast yet, so I'm going to have a big bowl of avocado smoothie bowl. My gosh, you guys have to try this. It's so creamy, but the mango is just so sweet. Toppings like granola and all the fruit just make it so refreshing, and the texture of crunchiness is there thanks to the granola and the chia seeds. And I think it's a great, delicious and nutritious brunch or breakfast, and even a little snack. How easy was it to make the avocado smoothie bowl, guys? If you're suffering from the hot weather, please try this recipe, and please let me know what you'd like to have with your avocado smoothie bowl as toppings down in the comment section. And please take care, and I'll see you guys next week. Bye! And if you liked our show today, don't forget to hit that like button and the subscribe button, and take care!